With Tracy's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading.
Good morning to you. Another week, so we're on Monday again, and I was just about to start editing last week's footage, but the postman had other ideas. So this is a part for my car, I hope. I'm running an old jalopy, which was a hand-me-down from my mum-in-law, which was absolutely fantastic because that car saved me so many times. There we go, look at that. Thermostat housing. There we go.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my...
While Trevor's out fixing his car, I'm going to finish off the brioche dough. This brioche dough has been in the fridge overnight. It's an enriched dough which contains lots of sugar and eggs compared to what a normal dough would have. And it needs to go in the fridge overnight so that you can handle it a bit easier the next day. It's a very soft dough. This dough also contains orange zest and chocolate chips so that I can make it into a chocolate orange dough. I'm going to roll the dough into little balls. If I weigh each one individually, weigh them out, roll them into balls, put them into these little cardboard trays, and then I can bake them in the tray and serve them in a tray, which works really well for the farm shop.
Blowing in your hair, we can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
Now that Trevor's fixed his car, I'm going to have to break the news that my mum has rang, meanwhile, to tell us that her heating has now gone wrong. So it looks like Trevor's going to have to go there and take a look at that.
I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright.
This is Birdie's mummy. She's got a problem with her central heating. Got a leak on a pipe. I'm gonna just try and nip that up, see if I can sort that out. Hopefully in and out in 5 minutes. It just seemed like it was loose. I put the spanner on it and turned it, and it was just as though all the threads were stripped, and then I managed to get a couple of quarter turns on it, and then it started going tight, and it seems to have tightened up quite nicely now. It's almost like they never tightened it up in the first place.
Can I breathe now?
Today's Thursday, we've come to Painswick, we've popped out really early in the morning. They have like a little market here, so we're hoping to buy some fresh fish and maybe a fresh coffee.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road, we crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping, 'cause you feel the night.
Thank you very much.
And day.
Some sausages.
Sausage?
Yeah. And salad.
Excellent.
I'm a bake now.
Go home and bake. So we're going to go home and bake now. But it was nice to nip out for half an hour. It's not too cold. It's a bit of a grey day though, isn't it? They're beautiful houses around here.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stocks.
stocks. Apparently they started building Painswick Church in 1893 and didn't finish it until 1957, which kind of makes me feel a bit better about my long-term projects. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, yes. Another week has started at the farm shop, and I can't believe what's happened with the weather. When we got here, it was clear skies, the sun was coming out, and look at it now! What's on the menu today, Birdie?
Chocolate hazelnut ganache tart. That's a new one. Coffee, apple and pecan cakes, which I think is going to be really popular going by the response we've had on social media this morning. So these are just little like caramel sponges filled with a caramel buttercream with apple, pecans and toffee sauce.
We've got our usual almond croissants, our usual double chocolate brownies, still the best seller.
Chocolate and raspberry loaf cake. Hard to see that one in the
Is that the one with chocolate in the sponge as well?
Yeah.
So it's got white chocolate and raspberries in the sponge, and it's got a nice, is it buttercream
icing
with white chocolate in it as well?
White chocolate buttercream icing, yeah.
Wow.
And now we've got Millionaires, brioche loaves. I don't know if I can get them out very easily now. They're chocolate chip with a hint of orange, and I think they'll be very nice, warmed up slightly with marmalade. That's what I'm thinking.
We've got our usual cinnamon buns and cheese scones to offer something as a savoury option for people.
This is the second weekend now of us selling our marmalade, and this is all we've got left. Really, really pleased. It's gone down so well. So we've got 7 jars left.
Well, thanks very much for coming. This chap's come from Southampton.
Southampton.
And if you think that's a long way, where have you come from, Johan?
Austria.
He's come all the way from Austria today to see us. That's incredible.
We're all set to go. Just bought some lemons from the farm shop. Lemon curd is coming this week.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December and the sound of the falling snow. The fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt, all we had was time. Hey, do you remember sneaking out in the night? Me playing the Fender and you singing, oh, it's alright. Beating hearts full of lust, shiny stars over us, just a dream guiding us, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back my life, I wouldn't think twice.
Oh, we've had a very busy Saturday. lot of clusters of people come in, so a bit of standing around and then like 10 people all rocking up at once, which has been interesting, hasn't it? Cake sales have been very good. In fact, they've been absolutely fantastic today, and also we've had quite a few customers, haven't we, that have seen the video. A lot of people that already know about us, to be honest, that have been down in the past, but then they've seen the video which has reminded them and they've popped down to say hello and stuff. They mention the videos, which has been really nice.
One lonely jar of
Yeah. No, we do have another one, don't we? So, yeah, so we've got 2 jars left in total. That's all we've got left. Are they the only toffee and apple cakes left? Yeah, so we've only got 2 of those that haven't sold. So that's it, really. The raspberry and white chocolate all gone. Somebody come that was having a dinner party earlier and bought 7 pieces of the chocolate hazelnut tart, which pretty much cleared us out, didn't it, for today? But I'm not complaining there, because it's better than having stuff left over. And everything else in the top cabinet completely went a long time ago. So a successful day. We're looking forward to coming back tomorrow. Sunday morning, we're off on our way to the farm shop, and the weather looks really, really nice. It's a bit chilly today, but got a lovely clear sky, and it's not too windy, which is always our biggest enemy, so let's hope the wind stays away and the sun stays out
today. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be.
Somebody's just bought the last jar. Well done, Chris. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Tom.
That's all finished now for the weekend. It's Sunday afternoon, we're all packed up, the van's full and loaded up, and we're ready to go home and have a rest for maybe an evening. We've had a good weekend. It's been really cold, but it's been a good weekend. We've had lots of new people and all our lovely regulars too, which has been great. One of our regular customers said to me today, "What's your most favourite part of the weekends?" And I kind of had a think about it, and I think you never ever know what each day is going to bring, and that's probably the most exciting part of all for me. I mean, I love doing the baking for everybody to enjoy, but you literally each day you just don't know who's going to come, if anyone's going to come, and what the day's going to hold, and I really love that bit. So we're all done, we're going to go home, and we will see you next week. Thanks for watching, bye!
Bye bye! Reach everyone, there be no wars.